for kids.
Colors.
White, white,
White. White. This is a police car, and it is white. This is a police car, and it is white. Yellow. Yellow.
yellow, yellow.
Leaves turn from green to yellow in the fall. Leaves turn from green to yellow in the fall.
Green, green,
Green. Green. The parrots have green feathers. The parrots have green feathers.
purple, purple,
Purple. Purple.
The flowers are purple. The flowers are purple.
White.
White, yellow,
Yellow. Green.
green,
Purple.
purple.
he,
In. Is. He. In.
is, me,
Go.
my.
Common animals.
Cow, cow,
Cow. 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 Grass is a cow's main source of food. Grass is a cow's main source of food.
Horse. Horse.
horse, 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 horse.
Horse riding is a fun pastime for all ages. Horse riding is a fun pastime for all ages.
Chicken. Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken. Chicken. Chicken.
Chicks often follow their mother chicken to find food. Chicks often follow their mother chicken to find food.
Pig. Pig.
Pig, 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 pig.
Pigs love to bask in mud. Pigs love to bask in mud.
Cow.
Cow, horse,
Horse. Chicken.
Chicken.
pig.
Pig.
D, d, d,
Sand.
d,
sand, sand, sand.
D,
Bed,
D,
bed, bed, bed,
D,
red,
D,
red, red, red.
Words end with D.
bed,
Dad, red,
mud, road, bud.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
fantastic.
Chicken.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Great job!
Pig,
Choose the picture that goes with the word. That is right.
yellow. Can you point to horse?
You did it!
Horse. Can you point to
White,
fantastic?
white,
Can you pick out
green,
you did it?
green,
Can you point to me?
Great job!
Can you point to?
In,
Awesome! Hooray! You finished the lesson!
Mary had a little lamb.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near. And waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about. And waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
bạn nhớ đăng ký và like video nha.